Hi there! If it's a few weeks or even days to JAmB, I'll be telling you what to do to maximize your time and do your very best. I'm Oluchukwu Divine Gifts Ndubueze. Welcome to Divine Gift Lectures. If you're new here, please subscribe. Thanks. Now let's get into the video. Now there's one major thing I believe you should be doing right now that will really improve your performance. And that's also what I'll be doing if I write in JAmB at this moment. So what you need to be doing is to study past questions. And wait, not just studying past questions, but this is the way you should do it. First, you can pick a number of years, let's say 10 years or 20 years, but you want to have an amount that you're giving yourself to be able to achieve. So when you pick this number of years, for example, it's just to give your mind a goal to actually achieve within this time that you have left. So when you've done that, you want to solve those past questions. So now while you're solving those past questions, you'll be seeing the ones you're getting and you'll be seeing the ones that you're also failing. Now for those ones that you are failing, I want you to note them and to note the topics that they are actually coming from. The reason for this is that for those ones that you are failing, you need to go back to the textbook and look and study those look at those topics and really study it, because these are the ones that will make the difference. While studying the past questions, you will have noticed that these are the topics that are reduced in your JAmB score. So now you're going to take those topics, you're going to read them, understand the concepts, go to your textbooks, try as much as possible to understand those things so that when they come out in your exam, you're going to get it and you're going to get a higher JAmB score than you would have gotten. Now I know that you might be saying something like, oh, it can be a lot, like there's a lot of things that I know that I probably need to work on. But in studying these past questions, you know the topics that come out in JAmB that you really don't know well, and you'll be able to focus more on that. And this can help you increase your JAmB score. Now, there's one advice I would really like to give you, and that advice is that you should make sure you're not too tensed. Now, I know as exam is reaching, you're tensed a lot, but you need to be careful. Don't allow tension be too much, because it can reach that extent where you're like, oh, I don't think I can even read that much anymore. JAmB is already close by, my exam is already close by. No, you don't want to be like that. You want to read at least something. Not even at least, you need to put in your time, because what you're probably reading right now can come out in your exam. So don't be like, oh, it's already a few weeks, what can I even do that will come out in the exam? You'll be surprised that maybe something that you read today now or tomorrow, you see it in your exam and you'll get it because you read it now. So please, what you're doing in this time is very valuable. So please put in your effort. You should just be reading at this moment. That's the basic thing you should be doing. Just keep reading and keep reading. And when you've read again. Like, that's what you should be doing at this point, because after JAmB you can, relax, rest, but please don't push yourself to the extent that you get sick. Just keep reading, because that's what you need to do at this moment, and also keep believing that it's possible. Don't try and think that, oh, there are some things I don't know and it's not. No, it's possible. Also, I would not like you to be intimidated. I don't want you to have fear or to say, oh, I'm not really doing well as others. Now, what you can be doing in this time is just as I've told you to do. Study your past questions, work on the ones that you notice are reducing your JAmB score, and you definitely improve. So do not be intimidated, don't feel fear, just keep reading and keep studying. And if you want to study faster, there are always videos on YouTube. You can go online, you can watch and understand concepts. So please make sure you understand the ones that you notice are your weak areas. Alright, so keep reading, keep studying. I really do wish you all the best. Please like this video and please subscribe. Thank you. Success in your exams.